Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you will have about 2s because we do first derivative of s squared plus 1 and you got about 2s over number 2 with the square root of s squared plus 1 because number 2 simplified by number 2. So we can write like this and we put about ds. This one we change by u. This one with ds we change by du. The integration of cosine u, you got about sine u and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.